Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip 6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip 6. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Supcase makes some of the best heavy-duty cases out there. And in this case, if you are a worker outside, if you drop your phone a lot, if you go hiking or whatever you do outside, you want to have this case on there in case you drop your beautiful Flip 6. You want that protection on there. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for actually sending this out to me for a review, like we normally do, and make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How easy is to get the case on and off? Does it fit well? Does it give you protection? Does it add bulk to your phone? Just the normal things you look for. But nice packaging from them. It's a heavy duty case because this case is big for a flip. Usually the flips are pretty small box there. Inserting the case face up will damage the thing. So you get a little belt clip on here. Oh, I like that. I like the blue. So you get a little belt clip. Bam. You got a little Velcro there, not Velcro, but a little felt to keep your phone from getting scratched up. The belt clip is nice and, man, I don't know if I would use the belt clip, but we'll check it out though. It is a two-piece case. So you have hinge protection there. You have a little kickstand here. Honeycomb pattern on the inside. You have a built-in screen protector. Again, y'all know how I feel about the screen protectors. Let's see, let's take this off. Getting trolled. Alright, so here is the front. Does have the plastic screen protector on there. Kind of just want to slide this bad boy in there. You heard that snap, right? Look at that. Now, I wish I had a darker blue. You're going to do the same thing for this side. So it's going to give you that drop protection. It's going to give you the heavy duty feel. Bam, look at that. So yes, even just say you don't have the screen protector on there, you get screen protection because you have that big old lip protection around there. You get the same protection for the cameras there. The sides have these little cushions or grips on the side there. You have the hinge protection. You have foam in the inside. That's soft foam there, so you won't scratch up your beautiful display. Everything lines up. How does the kickstand work? So, I mean, if you want to do it like that, you can. You can do it like this. Let's see, maybe like that. It rocks a little bit like that. Mostly like that, though. I mean, if you want to, you can. It's a little rocky, though, but if you lay it like that, it works perfectly fine. Does cover up a little bit of your display. The volume rockers are covered. The power button is easy to get to. And the volume rockers are nice and tactile, easy to press. Bam. Yeah, the power button is not bad at all. Everything lines up good. Let me make sure I have this case on there too. I've seen it moved a little bit on me. Yeah, it's so hard to come off. Like, yeah, once you press it on there, it's so hard to get this case out. So it fits really good. You can see you even get some protection to lay it down because you have a little lip. I don't know if I can catch that on camera or not, but you have a little lip here and you have a little lip there. So even if you place it like this, you can still get some protection too. So, I mean, heavy duty case. I mean, yeah. Can you wireless charge? I think my little puck is going out, but yes, you can wireless charge without any problems. No MagSafe though, but you can wireless charge. I mean, I don't do MagSafe anyway. So again, this case checks off a lot of boxes. Everything lines up. You get camera protection. Even with this little screen protection here, it's not bad. Touch sensitivity is good. Get protection for your cameras and your display. The back is nice and covered. The kickstand is sturdy and works in different, you know, configurations there. You have the hinge protection. You can wireless charge. So it checks off a lot of the boxes you look for when you're trying to pick up a case. If you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. But I almost forgot. Let's put it in this bad boy here. They said don't put it face up, so bam. Now you have the little belt clip. If you want to take your phone out, you can. But, I mean, it's a nice belt clip. Just listen to the instructions. Don't put it face up. But again, if you want to pick this up, look in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.